Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix battery percentage not showing on your VIVO X300 FE. So first, what you guys want to do is understand that it's not normal that you don't have your battery percentage. Of course, you can have it in your control center, but if you don't have it by default right here, we can go over into settings, and in the settings scroll down to battery. Here we will have the battery icon in status bar, and we can go over and click, let's say, inside the battery icon. Now we have a small text. Let me quickly put it outside so it is better to see. Here we have our percentage. If you don't have it, then what I would recommend you to do is restart the device to reset the battery sensor. So we're going to press the power button, the volume up button at the same time. Now we have three options and we choose the one in the middle to restart. Now the phone is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now after the restart, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and go to the Play Store and search for Battery Widget. So we're going to open up the Play Store, go to search, and search for Battery Widget, and it has to be the Battery Widget Reborn. So the Reborn one is a free battery widget. This is definitely the best option. We're gonna click on install, and now it is installing. It's only 15 megabytes, so it's already on our device. What are we gonna do here is click on consent and click start manually. What are we gonna do is we're going into our home screen. We're going to hold our finger, and let me quickly choose widgets. And now we need to select widgets. Here we can search for them, and here we have Battery Widget Reborn 2026. This is the widget that I've been using for a couple of months, and so far it's been really good. As you guys can see here, you can choose what's inside the circle, like battery remaining without the percentages, time remaining, of course, time when completed, and the temperature. So the temperature is not readable right now because we have to use it as a widget, but still you guys see how it works. We're gonna click on the check mark now, and here we have our battery widget that we can go over and make a little bit bigger like this. Now it's centered and it is showing the same percentage as my battery. Of course, if you do not see anything here, let's say you see 0% or just only percentage, then I would recommend going into the authorized device support center and tell them about the issue. It might be a battery sensor that's just not working. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.